In behalf of Morissette Projects, I have Johan into Morissette. We just wanted to say thank you to all of you for supporting this vlog screening. This will not happen without your support and your effort coming here. As our thank you, we just wanted to give something back to all of you. Yeah, so ito po.
Hi, my name is Morissette, and ako po yan siya. Sana nagustuhan niyo po ba yung film? Thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for supporting the film. Syempre pong thank you sa Atmoe projects and sa lahat ng to make this vlog screening happen. Honestly, kakarating lang kasi namin sa US, kaya di kami makakommit for the day's screening. Pero nakahabol naman para personally mag-thank you sa inyo na nanood today. So thank you so much. Sana nagustuhan niyo.
National Artist Community, Mr. Ryan Cuevia.